How do I make Firefox 47 load all my tabs on startup? A similar question was asked 4 years ago, when Firefox 13 introduced lazy loading. How do I make Firefox 13 load all my tabs on startup or when resuming reload? Firefox 13, released June 5, 2012, has introduced a new default setting to load tabs on demand. This causes the browser to only restore the currently selected tab when resuming a session on startup, after a crash, or on a requested reload. I really don't like how I now have to click each tab and select restore. How can I turn this off? My problem is, the solution found there, going to options equals, general, or later, tabs, and then unchecking, don't load tabs until selected, doesn't work anymore. Since the new version 47, that option seems to have been removed. Is there a new way to force Firefox to load all tabs when resuming a session?
I wanted the same and I found the answer here, this URL. This applies to versions 47 and up. When you restart Firefox and restore your previous session, Firefox will wait until you select a tab before loading it. This keeps Firefox running quickly and smoothly. If you've allowed an earlier version of Firefox to simultaneously load multiple tabs in the background, offered as the Don't Load Tabs Until Selected checkbox in the Preferences menu, when you upgrade to version 47 and up, your setting will reset to allow only one tab at a time. You can change it back through your About config preferences, advanced users only. In the address bar, type About config and press enter. The About config, this might void your warranty, warning page may appear. Click I'll be careful, I promise. To continue to the About config page, search for browser.sessionstore.restore_on_demand. Change the value to false. Close the About config tab to save your changes. Allowing Firefox to load tabs simultaneously can slow down its startup.
For those who don't want to load all the tabs on startup, my solution was to pin the few tabs that I want always available and keep the rest laser loaded by default.
As of Firefox 68, browser.sessionstore.restore_on_demand no longer works. The workaround I found is using an extension that will reload all tabs when clicked, which also loads in any unloaded tabs. This is the one I used, this URL.
Setting browser.sessionstore.restore_tabs_lazily and browser.sessionstore.restore_on_demand together did the trick for me. It won't affect the startup time, as it's first still lazy, but it will refresh the tabs in the background shortly after restart, a couple of them together. That's exactly what I was looking for. Smiley face.